You walk into a dealership. Bright lights, polished floors, a salesperson greets you with a smile that feels just convincing enough. You circle the vehicle slowly, taking in every angle. The paint catches the light perfectly. The badge on the front promises heritage, power, reliability. You open the door, sit down, and for a moment, everything feels right. This is it. This is the car. Then you sign the papers. $30,000, $40,000, maybe even $50,000, gone in a moment, exchanged for a set of keys and a promise that this vehicle will take care of you, your family, your daily life. But 6 months later, you're back. Not for an oil change, not for a routine service. You're back because something went wrong, something serious, something expensive. And for thousands of owners across America, that something turns into a full engine replacement. Today, we're counting down 7 vehicles that are turning that dream purchase into a nightmare. These aren't rare cars. These aren't forgotten brands. These are vehicles you see every single day, in driveways, in school parking lots, on highways filled with families just trying to get where they need to go. And that's what makes this list so important. And trust me, it gets worse. So make sure you watch this video till the very end, because number 1 might surprise you. And before we start, if you want honest, no-nonsense car content that actually helps you avoid costly mistakes, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss what's coming next. Let's get into it. Number 7. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. At number 7, we start with something that was supposed to redefine the modern family vehicle. The Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid didn't just enter the market, it made a statement. It promised everything today's families want: fuel efficiency, environmental responsibility, and the space and comfort of a traditional minivan. On paper, it looked like the perfect evolution, but reality has been very different. The core issue lies in its hybrid powertrain, the very thing that's supposed to make this vehicle special. Owners have reported sudden system shutdowns with no warning. Imagine driving on a highway with your kids in the back seat, and suddenly the vehicle loses power. No buildup, no warning lights you can rely on, just a system that stops doing what it's supposed to do. That's not just inconvenient, that's dangerous. Then comes the battery system. Multiple recalls have been issued due to fire risks linked to the hybrid components, and we're not talking about minor issues here. These are serious enough that some owners have been warned not to park their vehicles in enclosed spaces like garages. Think about that. A family minivan that you're hesitant to park in your own home. And when things go wrong, fixing them isn't simple. Hybrid systems are complex, and even trained dealership technicians have struggled to diagnose recurring issues. Owners report waiting weeks, sometimes months for repairs, often without clear answers. This vehicle was designed to simplify family life. Instead, for many, it complicated it in every possible way. Number 6. Infiniti QX50. At number 6, we move into the luxury segment, where expectations are higher, and so are the consequences when things go wrong. The Infiniti QX50 looks the part: sleek design, premium interior, soft leather, advanced tech, a quiet cabin. It feels like a step above the ordinary. But underneath that luxury is a very different story. The QX50 uses a variable compression turbocharged engine, a piece of engineering that sounds impressive in marketing materials. The idea is simple: adjust compression ratios on the fly to balance power and efficiency. In reality, it's introduced a level of complexity that hasn't aged well. Owners have reported internal engine failures, bearing issues, structural weaknesses, and breakdowns that come far earlier than expected. These aren't isolated cases, they're patterns. And then there's the transmission. The continuously variable transmission, or CVT, is shared with more budget-oriented vehicles. When it fails, and many owners report that it does, it can't be rebuilt like a traditional transmission. It has to be replaced. That means a repair bill that can reach thousands of dollars. And here's the part that really hits hard. You paid extra to avoid exactly these kinds of problems. Luxury is supposed to mean peace of mind. In the QX50, it often means expensive surprises. Number 5. Ford Bronco Sport. At number 5, we have a vehicle that came in riding a wave of nostalgia and excitement. The Ford Bronco Sport brought back a legendary name. It promised adventure, ruggedness, the ability to go anywhere and do anything. It looked ready for the outdoors, and people believed it. But the issues started showing up quickly. The biggest concern centers around its 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, specifically fuel injector failures. When these injectors crack, they can leak fuel, and when fuel leaks in a hot engine bay, the result can be catastrophic. This led to official recalls, but for some owners, the damage had already been done. Beyond that, turbocharger failures and overheating issues have become recurring complaints. These problems don't just show up in the city, they show up in the exact environments this vehicle was designed for. Off-road trails, remote locations, places where help isn't always nearby. Imagine being miles away from civilization and your engine gives out. That's not an adventure, that's a risk. Ford has addressed many of these issues under warranty, but the frequency of repairs raises a bigger question. How reliable is this vehicle in the long run? Because a true adventure vehicle isn't just about capability, it's about trust.
4. Nissan Rogue. At number 4, we come to one of the most common SUVs on the road. The Nissan Rogue is everywhere. It's affordable, practical, and widely available. For many families, it feels like a safe choice. But under the surface, there's a growing list of concerns. The engine, a turbocharged 3-cylinder with variable compression, is ambitious. But that ambition has come with consequences. Owners report internal failures, knocking sounds, and sudden breakdowns. And these failures often happen without much warning. Pair that with the CVT transmission, and you have a combination that amplifies risk. Just like in the QX50, when the CVT fails, replacement is the only option. That means high costs and unpredictable timing. There have even been formal investigations into these engine issues, highlighting how widespread the problem has become. And that's what makes the Rogue particularly concerning. It's not just 1 or 2 cases, it's thousands. When a vehicle this common starts showing patterns like this, it affects a massive number of people. Families, commuters, daily drivers. Owning it starts to feel less like convenience and more like a gamble. Number 3. Jeep Wrangler 4xe and Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe. At number 3, we step into a brand built on toughness. Jeep has always stood for durability, off-road capability, and freedom. The 4xe lineup was supposed to bring that legacy into the future with hybrid technology, but instead of combining strengths, it often combines weaknesses. Battery issues have been a major concern. Reports of overheating and fire risks have raised serious safety questions. For an off-road vehicle, this creates a scenario that's more than inconvenient, it's dangerous. Drivetrain failures are another issue. Owners have reported losing power in situations where reliability matters most, on trails, in rough terrain, far from help. And then there's the electronics. Modern vehicles rely heavily on software, and the 4xe models have had their share of glitches. Systems malfunction, warning lights appear without clear explanations, and diagnosing these problems can take time, a lot of time. And in cold weather, the hybrid system struggles, reducing efficiency and performance when conditions are already challenging. For a brand that promises to handle anything, that's a serious problem. Number 2. Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra. At number 2, we're looking at 2 of the most iconic trucks ever made. The Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra have built their reputations over decades. These are vehicles people depend on for work, for travel, for life. But recent models have introduced a major issue: cylinder deactivation technology. The idea is simple: shut down some cylinders to save fuel. But in practice, it's led to lifter failures, a problem that can escalate quickly into full engine damage. And when that happens, repairs aren't cheap. We're talking thousands of dollars, weeks without your vehicle, and frustration that builds with every delay. Add in transmission issues, rough shifting, unpredictable behavior, and the experience becomes even more concerning. There have even been legal actions taken over these problems, reflecting how widespread they've become. For trucks that are supposed to be dependable above all else, that's a serious fall from grace. And now, number 1. These are the flagship SUVs, the top of the line, the vehicles people aspire to own. The GMC Yukon, the Chevrolet Tahoe, the Cadillac Escalade. These vehicles represent status, comfort, and capability, but they share the same underlying issues as the trucks at number 2. The same cylinder deactivation system, the same transmission, the same risks. And when something goes wrong here, the consequences are even bigger, because these vehicles cost more, much more. Engine replacements in an Escalade aren't just expensive, they're overwhelming. Even partial warranty coverage doesn't eliminate the stress, the downtime, or the disruption. Families have reported breakdowns during long trips, unexpected failures that turn vacations into logistical nightmares. And the biggest issue? These problems have been known for years, yet they persist. When you spend this kind of money, you expect excellence. Instead, many owners are getting uncertainty. 7 vehicles, 7 warnings, and 1 clear message. The badge on the front of a car doesn't guarantee what's underneath. Marketing doesn't fix mechanical problems, and a great first impression doesn't mean long-term reliability. Before you buy your next SUV, look beyond the surface. Research real owner experiences. Understand long-term costs, because the price you pay at the dealership is only the beginning. So make sure you watch this video till the very end, because number 1 might surprise you. And before we start, if you want honest, no-nonsense car content that actually helps you avoid costly mistakes, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss what's coming next. Let's get into it.